Welcome to Auto Ignite. Today we have a rust repair DIY using no tools. Here are the equipment we're going to be using. Let's get started. Let's start out with the glasses. Put them on. The gloves. And of course, you are going to need a sand mask, just to avoid all the sanding coming into your eyes and into your mouth. First, let's take a look at our damage here. Have a little bit of bubble right here, building up. A little bit of bubble right here, and got a whole bunch of things right here. Clean it, sand it, fill it, and paint it. 5 things. And we are going to start out with cleaning it up, and then we are going to use the 80 grit, which is more aggressive. The lower the count, the more aggressive it is. The higher the count, the more fine it is. This is our alcohol, or you can use some other compound adhesive to help clear all the debris, clear all the dirt and everything that's on there, and help get rid of it. Here's a sanding block, which helps it even out and make it even space. Next step is, since there's an even ridge here, we want to put the body filler in here. We're going to put the body filler in here, so we are going to need to hammer in a little bit, dent it in a little bit with a hammer, just so we can fill the body filler up to even surface. And a little bit over here as well, just to get it in there a little bit, that we can fill it up evenly and have a nice even surface. Make sure that the rust does not continue to spread over there or continue to spread anywhere. So we are going to use Rust Reformer. Rust Reformer instantly converts rust to a protected paintable surface. Stops rust. So we're going to clean up the back of the surface and spray this in the back to make sure that it does not rust anymore in this area. All dried up and ready to be sanded. Look at that. We have done most of it. Looks very, very good. Just smoothing out the surfaces here. We are getting ready to primer. So this is called gray filler primer. So any imperfections that it has, if you see any imperfections, it actually will fill it out, making it smooth, making it nice. And this is a great thing to buy for primer. So let's get started with the primer. Looking real good. Got a little bit of runoff, but we are going to use 600 grit to sand everything down before we paint the final product of the silver. So let's get started. Make it nice and smooth. Make sure everything is very, very good. Got this thing primered 3 times, 3 coats. Looking real good. All angles. And we are about to get started with the paint. Here's the paint, perfect match. duplicate color, at the same color as the car. And we are going to start light coat first. Let's get started. Here's the clear coat, and here's a trick. Put it in a very hot water. You can put it from the house water, leave it in there, and it will help prevent orange peel when you spray it on. So we're going to do 3 coats as well. I think I'm happy with it. Now you're going to see, after I take everything off, and we're going to see the difference and where we have to buff out and get all cleaned up and wet sanded. Alright guys, here it is. I put 3 coats of clear coat, and look at the results. Car looks amazing. Take a look at it. All the rust and everything that it had. A little bit of orange spray here. And remember that thing I took off over here? We taped it up just a little bit off here. This all will get wet sanded. It takes about 24 to 48 hours for it to curate, for it to get match the color perfectly, even though it already does match perfectly. Turned out really good. Happy with the results. All you gotta do is wet sand it, smooth it out, and get all the orange peel out, and the car will be ready to go. Thank you guys for sticking around. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below what kind of videos you guys like to see next. All the products that I used are in the description. Let me know what do you want to see next, and we've got plenty of content coming your way. Thank you.